We're here with the cousin squad. We got Ava, and we got Kylie, and there's a poopy. And we're walking. My hair looks really cute. Okay. Hey guys, what's up? It's Emma here. Ava, don't wave at strangers.
It's a nice thing to do a trampoline.
And then
literally just vlogged in the tree.
it's really.
So we have Ava here.
Oh, sorry. There's Ava.
Ava.
And we're walking.
It's a nice thing to do.
Hey, oh my gosh, she waved.
Doesn't Ava look beautiful with it?
Guys, I should vlog around people. I should be like, hey vlog, what's up? Okay. So, vlogs, guys, when we're together, we should be the vlog squad. We're here with the vlog squad.
If I fart, can you bleep it out?
I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1 million bills with my pen. I like those Balenciagas, the ones that look like socks. I like going to the Tula, I put rocks all in my watch. I like texts from my exes when they want a second chance. I do what they say I can't. They call me Cardi, banging body, spicy mommy, hot tamale, hotter than a Somali. Virgo, Ferrari, hop up the stoop, jump in the coupe, big dip on top of the roof, flexing on. Audio Diamond District in the chain.
Okay, so we're gonna do like a walking vlog. You know, we're just
Remember when we said a
walking down.
stand up right here? Oh, one time Ava and I did that and we made... No, wait, hold on. Ready? Remember when this is an exercise / nature walk vlog?
Oh my goodness. Whoa, where'd the lake go? Should we go explore that?
See, there is water.
You guys,
I'm so down.
you guys down?
Okay,
Okay, let's
I'm
go.
so down to go down there.
No, I am.
You guys go.
You guys, we have thumbnail like right here. Ready? Probably thumbnail. Probably thumbnail.
This is a video.
I know. I can. Ava, press the white button.
I'm about to fall. I don't care.
Okay.
Hey, I have to be in the thumbnail. Wait, Emma, you could just have a collage.
Yeah.
So they're deciding to go down there, and I'm like, I'm not getting in trouble for this. I'm not getting bitten by snakes down there. So, good luck, guys.
There's so much flies above your head.
I'm such a good recorder. Like, I should be a filmer.
Are you actually going down there, Harley? Wasp. Guys, this is a bad idea.
Yeah. And you guys were like, oh my gosh, we should go down there. And
We
I'm like,
should explore something else. Not this.
Ah, what?
Buggos.
It's literally bugs, but okay.
Flying on my head.
Oh, yep, get it. Get that. Oh.
Can I see my phone for
You
a
have to
second?
bleep that out.
Can I see my phone for a second?
Oh gosh, ow!
Ow.
Wait, stop the video.
Wait, stop it.
Guys, you're perfect.
Bye, guys. There's a nice lake. That's Oh, hey guys. I don't need it. Oh gosh.
Break a leg or something.
Yeah, this would be great.
Hey, Emma, if you break something, we're not calling 911.
Ready, guys? Oh, he just did it.
Another thumbnail. Emma, smile. Got it.
You get the picture when we're in the air. I'll do it.
No, Kylie goes to that one.
I'm gonna try to jump off this.
Ew, itchy. Ew.
Okay.
It's easy.
Oh gosh, this is actually pretty high.
Wait, guys, ready? I'm gonna jump again.
It's like
Kylie just fell.
pretty high up
Got me tripped in.
for my legs, my short legs.
Would
I'll
you
do
say
my-
it's higher than it
There's a
looks?
snake hole
Go.
right there. I'm not joking.
There's a snake home? Ava, jump. Ava, jump.
I'll jump. Move, Ava, move. Don't push. See, like all the way there.
Wait, don't go yet. Go.
I'm going right here.
Go.
Baby,
Ava, come on.
you need pushies.
Ava, go.
Go pushies. Okay,
Ava, go.
okay, you go. I am stiff. No,
You went right when I stopped videoing. Kylie goes. Now Kylie goes. Now Kylie goes. Kylie, go. Kylie, go.
go, guys.
Go.
Saw something move.
Go.
I'm kidding.
Ava, come on. Oh my. Do it again. No.
It's the crosswalk. You're supposed to let people go.
We're doing.
I'm scared.
You'll probably have to put this in fast motion. Okay, so we're doing the ABC gymnastics.
Which
What-
I
what's-
can only do 2 tricks.
I think we're up to D. So what's D?
Don't.
Donkey kick. Remember the donkey? We go on your knees.
Wait, no, have the no side. Good girl. Ow, you're sweaty.
I know.
Okay, my attempt.
Oh, you
Psych.
I get to redo it.
Bonding.
Okay.
Cousin bonding time.
I knew you were gonna do
Yep, bonding. Making memories here. Oh, yes. Okay. Emma's turn.
Oh, don't do that.
We're like so bonding right now.
Kylie's face.
Ava's turn.
Hey, did you say I want food?
Ava's turn.
Zoomed in all the way.
No.
Okay. Gabby Douglas here.
Why doesn't no one do that turn?
Yes. Slay girl.
Okay.
Oh, I
Your
love
turn,
her.
Kylie.
And again. My kiwi dead? My kiwi dead? My where's my rubber band? Oh my god! What? Rock and roll. Oh my god! Kylie, where's my rubber band go? I think it. Hey, I'm here too. No, pump. Here. I got you.
Your eyes are red.
Ease
Oh, I know how to be an egg roll.
Oh. Kylie, egg rolls are little balls that roll.
Guys, ready? I'm gonna do an egg roll.
Boy.
This is my
Boy.
egg roll.
Here's Emma's
Do you
egg
remember
roll.
when I first went to the trick? I was like, okay, I want to watch out.
Kylie's just like laying there, like, boy.
No.
Yes. Cousin love. We love each other.
Inappropriate. Get up! Get up! Get up!
Let's get a quick zoom in of Kylie's
Get up!
face.
Get up!
Yes, and we better put this on the blog.
I will.
Yep, and she's grabbing my leg
Okay,
here.
guys, ready? Here's
Gotta love that girl. Oh my gosh, what is she doing?
ponytail is
Oh
in
my
Ava's hair.
Oh no.
I see rainbows coming off the camera.
You do?
I do?
Egg roll! I give that a 10, yes. Okay, here goes Kylie's.
Guys, ready?
I guess
Wait,
she gets
watch
a
my
redo.
cheer tricks. Ready?
Oh, yes. Okay, we're not egg roll, I'm not sorry,
I
but
just smacked my head against
we're
my
on
knee.
egg roll, but I'm sorry, but
No,
okay.
the Egyptian waddle.
No, Kylie, we're on. Okay, she can do that. Okay, my turn. Egg roll, please.
Oh Lord, what is this
No,
video?
the Ava.
Ow, I hit my hand.
Roll.
Whoa, is that normal? Is my pinky supposed to be like
Did
that?
you even get me
No.
that pinky? You see me rolling.
I guess I have to do it again.
Got it. Move, Kylie. Move. Make me. My turn. Make me. Wait, do that again. Pretend to punch me. Ooh. So strong.
Go.
See my egg roll here? Move. Move it. Move.
Kylie.
Oh God.
I wasn't okay. That's it was egg roll. Okay, hold it.
Right here in this.
Okay, F. Oh, I got this one. Front.
Is for
Fuck. What is it called? What's the thing? It's not front handspring, but front
walkover.
walkover. That's the word.
I'm the
It's not
bomb,
focusing. It's like foggy, I think. Your camera's like really foggy or something.
Tap on it. Tap on the screen.
Yeah, it's still foggy.
Ow! Oh, step on it. There's a bug on you. What? On the back of your... Oh, wait. Is it off? I don't know. Where's for mine? I'm the bomb.
Okay, Kylie.
Bomb.com.
See? That is all over your head. Oh, there's a bird. I'm going to try it again.
Yeah. Oh, my boy. Boy. Yes, yes. Okay, my turn.
That boy messed up my hair. That boy's the main boy. Okay.
Remember from Melody Shadow? That was cute.
That boy. Sound like Emma Chamberlain. That's cute.
Go.
Oh,
Go!
yeah,
Ava.
sure I can.
Ava, go.
Well, she's too busy.
Ava, go.
Oh my God!
Yes. Oh, gosh.
Oh.